What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 longboards in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We will kick things off with Quest Super Cruiser Original 44-inch, the best budget longboard available on the market in 2020. If you're looking to enjoy all the cool features of a longboard while also saving a few bucks, this one is it. The product is designed from fine hardwood marble wood with multiple layers and sports the perfect 44-inch length. It has a beautiful bamboo deckcraft designed for better performance and a lot of elaborate details that will enhance the overall aesthetic impression. In terms of components, the Quest Super Cruiser Original 44-inch features 7-speed ABEC bearings, a durable 7-inch aluminum truck, a 7-ply bamboo superflex, and a very hard maple wood construction, making it surprisingly sturdy and durable for a budget option. The board comes with a set of smooth 70mm PU wheels and a few advanced components to increase extra durability. The wheels are made of polyurethane, which has better characteristics compared to most insulation materials. It delivers a high value of thermal insulation, high resistance to pressure, and also does not change its shape after use over time. The Quest Super Cruiser measures in at 43.9 by 44 inches and has a weight of 9.9 pounds. It is worth mentioning that some users point out that for some beginners, the trucks may be a bit wobbly, so they may need to be tightened a bit to get the desired beginner setup. However, for experienced and mid-tier drivers, this will not be a problem. What's more, it will give them a very exciting feeling of driving on water. For all users who want a little more performance than offered, there is the option to upgrade the extra wheels or bearings. In case you've only recently discovered all the charms that a longboard offers, or you have not had time to dedicate to it before, we cannot stress enough how important it is to choose the right longboard that will make your start as simple and interesting as possible. That's why we have the Playshion drop-through Freestyle here as the best beginner longboard in 2020. This fella rocks a 39 by 9.1 multi-purpose board that will be great for all beginners, whether they want to use it for curving, cruising, downhill, freestyle, sliding, or freeride. This longboard is specially designed from hard and solid maple wood, but will give users quite enough flexibility, all of which is great for the newbies. The product offers extra stability, as well as easy pushing because it is low enough and close to the ground. Also, beginners will like the fact that this longboard is slightly lighter than others, with a total weight of 7 pounds. Also, the danger of slipping is eliminated with the help of a 7-inch aluminum truck specially designed for reversing. The Playshion drop-through Freestyle can withstand a weight of up to 250 pounds, and due to the mounting technology with a drop, has a good deviation of 4 inches. Thanks to PU wheels with soft edges measuring 70 by 50 millimeters, beginners will be able to ride smoothly without any unwanted brakes, bounces, or other problems. The ABEC boasts 9 built-in bearings and is ready to use right out of the box. The Playshion drop-through Freestyle is designed so that all users, regardless of height, will be able to use it without any problems thanks to the low ground design. The product can be used by children as well as the elderly, but it should be noted that for beginners we recommend extra caution. The constant use of a helmet is a must, of course. If you want to enjoy cruising through your favorite landscapes, parks, long beaches, or to discover new parts of the city, you will surely be interested in the Magneto Kicktail Cruiser, the best cruising longboard available on the market in 2020. Thanks to these specially designed 70mm cruise wheels, you'll be able to enjoy the perfect balance of board and wheel size, exactly what is needed for the most comfortable cruise. These wheels are made of high-quality soft urethane and sport a transparent, cool look. The Magneto 44-inch Kicktail Cruiser will be great for both professionals and beginners. We quite liked the deck design without excessive flexibility. This makes your ride stable and safe, while the wheels will ensure a smooth passage even on the rough roads. What more do you need for cruising, right? The board comes in a length of 44 inches. Although optimized for cruising, you can use this board for all other driving styles. The deck utilizes a high-quality construction. The lower layer has a maple core to achieve perfect rigidity and strength, while the upper part consists of a very high-quality bamboo veneer. The Magneto 44-inch Kicktail Cruiser features trucks made of cast gravitational aluminum, with a 7-inch hanger and a 50-degree angle. Trucks designed this way will provide the user with perfect, smooth cruises. The width of the blanket is 9 inches, and the shells have the SHR Standard, which means that they are of medium stiffness. The manufacturer has given special attention to the aesthetic details, as the Magneto 44-inch Kicktail Cruiser comes with a very elegant natural finish and a fine cut of the board on which the company logo is gracefully engraved, making it look like a real work of art. Another cool thing about the reviews of this product is that our users unanimously agree that this longboard has no significant flaws that need to be pointed out. With that said, how about we move into the full-on, high-quality domain? If your word of the day is quality design, you'll be interested to know that we have selected Atom Drop-Through 41-inch as the best quality longboard you can find on the market in 2020. This product has a long-sided board length of 41 inches that will provide users with maximum strength and stability, which will ideally benefit the folks who just want to carve it downhill. Thanks to the special design for easy pushing, you can use the Atom Drop-Through 41-inch outside the city in various remote and even rougher areas without getting worn out. This longboard boasts a rather unique rim shape that gives a 9.6-inch long lever in every turn, and at the same time eliminates the bite of Atom wheels. Also, it has a laminate deck made of solid maple wood that provides additional strength and stability without losing any of the flexibility. And yes, the board is quite flexible. Whether you want to cruise, go down the hill, or just about anything else, you are well covered. The Atom Drop-Through 41-inch comes with onboard RKP trucks with axles of 245 millimeters in size. The shells are conical, very mild in shape, and you can adjust the flexibility from loose to firm depending on your wishes and specific requirements. The wheels are 70 millimeters in size, and we must compliment the high-quality workmanship here, as these guys roll very smoothly without any sticking whatsoever. They have a rounded edge, thanks to which they will give you a great feeling and experience when moving at a moderate pace, taking on very fine, sharp corners. This board is also great for beginners, giving them an extra sense of security and ease of driving. The Atom Drop-Through 41-inch comes with an ABEC-9 set of bearings, which the users have unanimously praised. Simply put, this product excels over most stuff on the market. One of the shortcomings and objections mentioned by the users in some cases a slightly less durable deck, but this item depends on subjective assessment and does not belong to the general shortcomings of the construction. If you can spare a few extra dollars to get the premium quality, we would not hesitate in getting this bad boy. And now, off to the number one. In our humble opinion, the best overall option is the one that brings premium quality, high durability, adds a cool design, and does it all at a fair price. Which brings us to the Volador Freeride, the best overall longboard available on the market in 2020. For this fella, the entire professional engineering team of workers made sure that users get the top product with very smooth driving performance. The board comes with an 8-ply ejected hard maple deck and methane-free epoxy adhesive, making it not only premium quality, but environmentally friendly. The Volador 42-inch Freeride features 7-inch aluminum trucks that give the riders exceptional handling and can be adjusted by 50 or 45 degrees for reversing. Also, thanks to the symmetrical, unique design of the board with a drop of 42 inches, you will successfully eliminate unwanted wheel bites from any angle. This longboard boasts 78A PU wheels of great durability and dimensions of 70 by 51 millimeters, which in combination with the onboard ABEC-9 bearings will grant you unsurpassed enjoyment and the perfect experience of a smooth, sweet ride. Volador 42-inch Freeride has hardware equipment carefully made of top-quality materials, including durable carbon steel screws and steel bearings. These are additionally chrome-plated for extra durability, while the mix also includes aluminum alloy trucks and much more. The manufacturer has also paid great attention to the visual identity of the board, with various ideas collected from people from all walks of life. This means that the longboard is equally suitable for girls and boys, students and children, and even adults. Also, the comfort of the driver seems to be paramount for these guys, as you are granted a spacious and at the same time highly practical deck that is 9 inches wide. At your disposal is also a wheelbase of 34 inches. The Volador 42-inch Freeride comes in dimensions of 42 by 9 by 4 inches and weighs 8.4 pounds. The users are very satisfied with the speed of this longboard and how smooth it is on turnings. If you find the trucks loose, you are free to gradually tighten them until you get the desired ratio of tension and flexibility according to their wishes and needs. To sum it up, the gold medal goes to this guy. Good stuff, highly recommended. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.